Hi, to install apps from unknown sources on your POCO X7 Pro, we just need to go in Settings, then scroll down and find this tab Privacy Protection, and after that scroll down a bit more and check this tab Special Permissions. Then you should see this section Install Unknown Apps. Simply select it, and here you'll see a list of apps from which you can allow to install unknown apps. So for example, I'm gonna choose Google Chrome, and let's say I wanna install an app from Google Chrome, right? And for that, I need to tap on the switcher to allow installations from this source. And of course, I get this pop-up warning that this is a highly sensitive permission, and if you grant it, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So if you are willing to take risk, then tap here I'm aware of risks and tap OK. And now you can install anything you want from Google Chrome. Also, you can do the same thing from each app on the list. You can also tap here to show system apps, and to don't allow, you need to go back in your Google Chrome and tap on the switcher to not allow installations from this source. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.